Dear students, in today's video we are going to learn about real and virtual images and also the characteristics of the image formed on a plane mirror. Students, we have seen the images in various places. Images are formed on glasses, on smooth and polished surfaces, in mirrors, and also in water. So many places we have seen the images. There are two types of images. They are real images and virtual images. The images that can be obtained on a screen are called real images, and the image that cannot be obtained on the screen are called virtual images. The real images are formed when the light rays actually meet. They are inverted in nature. What is inverted? Inverted means the image will be upside down. Then the virtual images are formed. We know that when we look at a plane mirror, in the plane mirror, the metal coating and the paint that is there at the back side of the mirror, that is the reflecting surface of the plane mirror. In the plane mirror, we are seeing the image from the direction the light rays are coming after reflection. In that direction we see the image. The image will be seen as somewhere inside the mirror. But if we place a screen at the back of the mirror, no image is formed on the screen. Such image is the virtual image. The image cannot be obtained on a screen. Now children, the real images are formed when the light rays actually meet. When the light rays actually meet at a point in the mirror, then the real images are formed. A pinhole camera and different types of cameras and projectors make real images. The virtual images are formed in some certain cases in concave mirrors and also always in the plane mirrors. The virtual images are formed. So students, let us see what are the differences between real and virtual images. There are three differences, major differences are there, we are going to learn. Students, the real images are formed when the light rays actually meet. When the light rays actually meet, the real images are formed. We know that the real images are formed when the light rays actually meet. It can be seen on a screen and we can see the image from different directions. Such an image is the real image. But in virtual image, it is formed when the light rays appear to meet. Not actually meet, but they appear to meet. That means imaginary lines or imaginary rays that create the virtual images. Then students, the second difference, the real image can be obtained on a screen. Many copies of the images we can make artificially. For example, many of the printouts we can take from the camera, the image that is obtained on a camera or on a projectors in the cinema theaters, the film that we are watching on the screen, that is also example of real images. Then the virtual images cannot be obtained on a screen. The virtual images cannot be obtained on a screen. Now students, the real images, they are inverted. They are upside down in nature, smaller than the objects usually, and the virtual images are erect. Virtual images are erect. Now, the image formed on a plane mirror. What are the characteristics of the image that is formed on a plane mirror that we are going to understand? The first point, that is the image is erect. On a plane mirror, the image is always erect. Same size as the object. Bigger objects make a bigger image and smaller objects make a small images. Same size of the object and same color of the object. The image formed on the plane mirror is exactly same color of the image is also formed of the object. Now, when we are standing 1 meter from the distance also same. When we are standing 1 meter away from the mirror, and the image also will be appear to stand 1 meter inside the mirror. So that is another property of the image formed on the plane mirror. When the image that is seen inside a plane mirror, how much distance is having the object from the mirror? The image also appear to be in the same distance inside the mirror. But we know that there is no place inside the mirror, but it appears to us that there are some space and where the image stands. Now students, the last property of the image formed on the plane mirror, that is lateral inversion. That means the sides get reversed. That means in the plane mirror, the images right side will appear as the objects, right side will appear as the left side of the image, and the left side of the object will appear as the right side of the image. So students, these are the different characteristics of the image formed on the plane mirror. We studied about real and virtual images. Thank you.